Welcome to the second series of Fundamental and Derived Quantities. If you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and share the link of the channel to somebody that needs to work on his or her physics. Okay. So welcome to the second series of Fundamental and Derived Quantities. So we have a question on the board which says which of the following quantities is measured in Kelvin? Okay. But today I'm going to share a simple secret. Okay, so that you can recall the fundamental units with ease with this simple secret I want to share. All right, so the secret is this. The 7 basic fundamental units, you want to start with little, okay, mice, teach, elephant, okay, to, act, lightly. Yes. So little mice teach elephant to act like. What does that mean? So L here is forward length. Okay, M is for what? Mass. T is for what? Time. E is for what? Electric what? Current. T again is for what? Temperature. A is for what? Amount of what? Substance. And L is for what? Luminous what? Intensity. So from what we have on the board, it now says which of the following quantities is measured in Kelvin. Now, another thing is you want to know their what units. For instance, for length, we have that as what? Meter. For mass, we have it as what? Kilogram. For time, okay, we have it as what? Seconds. For electric current, we have it as what? Ampere. Okay. Now, for temperature, we have it as Kelvin. And the question says what? Which of these quantities is measured in Kelvin? So, and we have temperature here. All right. So temperature here, okay, which is for Kelvin, gives us the answer to this problem. So our correct option to this problem is what? Temperature, which is B. Now this question number 2 on the second series of fundamental and derived quantities and units. So we have a question on the board which reads, which of the following is the SI unit of mass? Okay, we have to go back to our little secret. Little minds teach elephant to act what? Lightly. So our L here is for length, okay? M is for mass. T, okay, is for time. E is for electric current. T again is for what? Temperature. A is for what? Amount of substance. And L is for what? Luminous intensity. So the question says, which of the following is the SI unit of mass? So we want to come to what? M. Okay. So M there for mass represents mass. And what's the SI unit of what? Mass. It is what? Kilogram. Okay, which is what? Kg. So the correct answer to this problem is what? B, which is what? Kilogram. For question number 3, we have on the board, which is the SI unit used to measure electric what? Current. So we have electric current. We'll come to our little secret, which says little mice teach elephant to act like me. So we know that L here is for what? Length. M is for what? We have mass. T is for time. E is for what? Electric what? Current. T is for what? Temperature. A is for what? We have E for amount of substance, and L is for luminous intensity. So all we need to do is electric current is E, so presented by E, okay? And the question says what is the SI unit used to measure what? Electric current, which we know that electric current E here is for ampere, okay? Like we have length as meter. M for miles is what? Kilogram. T is what? Second. All right. What about our temperature? We know is Kelvin. For amount of substance, we know is mole. And for luminous intensity, we know is candela. So the correct answer to this problem is what? C, which is ampere. Let's look at question number 4, all right? The question says, which of the following unit is what derived? So it means that, okay, the unit is not a fundamental what unit. So all we need to do is let's bring out the units of what the fundamental unit using our little secret that led to my stitch elephant to act what lightly. So now L here we know is for length, M is for mass, T is for what time, okay, E is for electric current, T is for temperature, A is for amount of substance, and L here is for luminous intensity. Okay, L, which is for length or distance or displacement, the unit is what? Meter. That's the abbreviation. For mass, we know is kilogram. M is for mass, kilogram, so we say kg. Okay. T is for time, which we have as seconds. E is for what? Electric current, which we have as ampere, or A, as the abbreviation. And T is for what? Temperature, which we know is Kelvin, just K. A is for amount of substance, which we know is what? Mole. And L is for luminous intensity, which we have as candela. Okay, see. So now let's check. Okay, now we can observe that we have okay, kilogram is here, right? Meter is here, okay? We have Kelvin is there, okay? Now, N, which is for Newton, okay? This Newton is not a fundamental what? Unit, okay? So it means the correct answer to this problem is what? D, which is Newton, because Newton is what? A derived what? Unit. So let's look at the fifth. Okay, the last question, okay, to this series, this second series of fundamental and derived what quantities. So the question says, which of the following sets of quantities is fundamental? So all we need to do is we have to go back to our little secret that says little minds teach elephant to act what lightly. And let's see, we have little is for what length. Remember your length is still your what distance. Or we can still say displacement. For mass, N is for what? Mass, okay, mass. T here is for what? Time. E is for what? Electric current. T here is for what? Temperature. A here is for amount of what? Substance. And L here is for what? Luminous what? Intensity. So the question says, okay, which of the following sets of quantities is fundamental? So we want to be sure that all three, okay, in the answers are here, okay? So let's quickly check that. All right, let me start with this one. Yeah, distance, okay? Distance is what here, okay? We have distance, speed, we don't have speed, time, yes, we have time. So this cannot be the correct answer because we want something that all three are what here, listed here. How about the next one? Speed is not here, okay? Mass is here, distance is here, okay? The next one, speed is not here, length is here, and time is here. So this cannot be the correct answer. What about this one? Yeah, length is here, mass is here, and time is here. So the correct answer to this problem is option A, okay? So that gives us the correct answer to this question. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Share this video to somebody that it may be of help to. I'll see you guys in our next series. Bye.